What is going on, everybody? It's your boy John, and welcome back to Gearbox. So today, first things first, you're probably saying, John, you look different. I mean, you got the shirt on, you got the khaki shorts. What's up? And the answer to that would be, I just got home from work. As most of you know, I typically film on the weekends, but this weekend I will be at a wedding. So I want to make sure I have a video out for you guys, but we're in luck. So we just got a part in, or really a piece rather, for the truck that I had it sitting at my doorstep, and I said, well, hell yeah, let's go, let's do it. Give y'all what you want for another episode of the wonderful Gearbox. So without further ado, let's go ahead and unbox it. Let me set y'all up. It's nothing crazy, but it's still a piece of the puzzle that we're missing. So let me set y'all up. We'll do the unboxing, and if you want to guess what it is, guess now, and we'll get right into today's video. Brake light for my 2019 F-150 XLT. If you haven't followed the previous videos, especially around lighting, pause this video, go back and check them out. Awesome videos. But today what we're doing is installing this third brake light. Now, if you haven't seen the videos or don't recall, the first thing we did to the truck was an LED headlight upgrade, and then we went ahead and did the LED taillights. What I quickly realized was that the halogen third brake light she ain't cutting it. It looks stupid, especially because the taillights are blacked out housing. So I wanted to go ahead and match it right here. I don't know how well y'all can see this, but this is an LED conversion. Blacked out taillight looks awesome. I mean, it's literally one switch, and then it has one connector rather, and then a switch to make it either a flashing like F1 car type of brake light or just a normal one. 4 bolts, super simple. I mean, guys, if you can't do this, may I suggest maybe finding another hobby? Just gonna throw it out there. It shouldn't be too hard, but definitely going to look great on the truck, being that abyss gray, black housings all around, black wheels, obviously black tires, tinted windows, all that sort of stuff. So wanted to unbox that for y'all. Let's go out, get right to it. Should be pretty simple. Like I said, it's going to be 4 bolts here, 1 connection, and should be good to go. So let's go outside to the garage. We'll get our ratchet set going. And should be a quick yet effective video for y'all today. Alright, so now that we got the light out, what you're going to need to do is remove these 2 retainer clips. So if you can see the holes right here, these little pieces are going to be sticking up through that, and then you have the actual wiring harness, and that's going to marry up perfectly here. So once you do that, you're going to unclip it, which we will figure out how to do here. Let's see if we can get it first try. Boom! And then we are going to install this and should be good to go. That is going to do it for another episode of Gearbox. Once again, I apologize for the shorter video, but this is really something that just needed to be done. Really at this point, we've kind of completed the, let's call it, trio of LEDs. We have the tail lights. We now have the third brake light, which I'm going to consider to be separate. And then we have, obviously, the LED headlights here. The truck looks phenomenal, if I do say so myself. Clearly, I've got into a little bit of mud, a little bit of dirt, you know, really just using a truck like it should be used. But anyway, guys, super easy, super simple. If you're worried about this install, you probably shouldn't do like any other installs, because it was, yeah, I'm gonna go with probably the most straightforward and simple install I've ever done, whether it be this, whether it be that, or any other car, truck, SUV, whatever. But as always, guys, if you like the video, please give it a big fat thumbs up. As always, if you have any suggestions, questions, comments, concerns, anything like that, drop a comment down below. And you already know, hit subscribe, hit the notification bell. You know the drill. And until next time, peace.